Massive development push is coming to Uttar Pradesh as Prime Minister Modi begins a high-profile two-day visit to the state today. Starting in his parliamentary constituency of Varanasi on April 28th, Prime Minister is set to unveil a gift for the people worth approximately 6,350 crore rupees. DD India's Deepika Mahato gets us more.
Namoho Gange Namami Gange. Varanasi, the city immortal of the holy river Ganga and the Lok Sabha constituency seat of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, is all set to receive a wave of development-led projects. This will not only boost the economy of UP, but will immensely benefit the local people of Varanasi. In the upcoming visit to UP's Varanasi, Prime Minister Modi will inaugurate and lay the foundation stone of various development projects worth around 6,350 crore rupees. Prime Minister Modi on his visit to Varanasi will dedicate over 48 completed projects to the nation as well. The key infrastructure projects include completion of Varanasi Azamgarh Road widening, opening of critical rail over bridges at Kazakpura and Kadipur, inauguration of sewage treatment plant with a capacity of 55 MLD in Bhagwanpur, inauguration of 30 rural drinking water schemes under Jal Jeevan Mission, redevelopment of Chandravati Ghat, tourism development of Sarangnath Temple, 100-bed old age home in Ramnagar, 13 sewerage and water supply schemed under Amrut 2.0, 500-bed multi-super speciality hospital, development of tourist facilities at key ghats including Asi, Namo and other ghats, 105 crore rupees transfer as bonus to milk suppliers, foundation laying of 3rd and 4th line railway project of Varanasi, Deen Dayal Upadhyay Junction, flagging off 2 new Amrit Bharat Express trains which are Banaras, Pune and Ayodhya, Mumbai trains among others. On his first day of visit, Prime Minister Modi will address the women of Varanasi at Mahila Sammelan with a focus of empowering the women of the nation. Ahead of the visit, the women shared their views on Prime Minister's upcoming visit and hailed the work done by Prime Minister Modi-led government.
मोदी जी के आने से बहुत सा अच्छा काम हुआ, हमारे घाट पे इतने विकास हुए हैं और हम महिलाओं को बहुत आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं। इससे बढ़ के और क्या चाहिए।
सम्मान तो बहुत मिल रहा है, सम्मान में कोई कमी नहीं है और कमा खा रहे महिला लोग अच्छे से शान से जी रही हैं और क्या। और घाट पे भी घाट अच्छा बन गया, मंदिर अच्छा बन गया, रोड अच्छा बन गया है और मोदी जी को इसी के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि महिला लोग की इतना सहयोग कर रहे हैं।
On the second day of his Varanasi visit, Prime Minister Modi will perform darshan and puja at Sri Kashi Vishwanath Temple.
The ghats of Varanasi or Banaras are an example that how Varanasi has developed over the years. It has not only given employment opportunities to the people here, but respect. And when we talk about respect, women are now at the forefront. And ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Nari Sammelan, which is going to happen here in Varanasi, the women of Varanasi are especially very much excited and they want to meet and greet Prime Minister Narendra Modi to thank him for all the development-led work he has done and the gift that he has given to the women of not only Varanasi, but the entire country. With camera person Monty, this is Deepika reporting for DD India from Varanasi's Assi Ghat.